All right, I've got to talk about this new thing, this new newsreel that's coming around that Trezor has been hacked by Unciphered. This is old news. If you want to know what I'm talking about, continue watching. Before that, if you guys enjoy these updates, I appreciate it if you hit the like button. If you're watching anyways and you haven't hit subscribe yet, hit subscribe with the bell notification so you get notified when videos like this come out so you can learn more about what's happening in the cryptocurrency space. So, Ledger just made huge waves in the cryptocurrency space for all the wrong reasons. And their major competitor is Trezor. I do not think it is by accident that now there's all of this negativity coming around that Trezor isn't actually the end-all be-all hardware wallet either. Which, by the way, I don't think there is an end-all be-all hardware wallet. I think they all have pros and cons. Trezor is open source, and in that, there was a vulnerability in the hardware of Trezor that cannot be updated, basically, where in this situation, basically, I talked about this way back in 2019, so this is way old news. And I talked about it, actually I mentioned it in a recent video last week as well. Basically, if someone has access, physical access to your Trezor hardware wallet for something like 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, or like a decent chunk of time, and they have their specialized computer and they're also very technically savvy and can do this type of hack to target your physical Trezor device. They can hack into your device, they can, without your seed phrase, without your PIN code. But here's what's happening. Unciphered did this, and now they're saying, oh, we hacked it. We didn't need the seed phrase. We didn't need the PIN code. Trezor isn't actually a viable option outside of Ledger like many people are believing. But here's the thing, is that number one, Unciphered never notified Trezor that they were attempting to do this. So that was done in bad faith, in my opinion, and not actually in any effort to help Trezor improve their security, but instead to just be on a FUD roll. Additionally, this is a really important tip. You guys hearing me? If you use a passphrase with your Trezor, this hack cannot happen. So for those of you who do have Trezor, you can create a passphrase, which is basically a phrase, a word that you create your own, which, by the way, is not perfect either because humans are horrible at creating randomness. So if you can create a passphrase that is random by maybe using something like a dice game, you can really be super secure against a physical attack that is really, in my opinion, going to be extremely rare to happen in the case of the Trezor, if you guys are a Trezor user, or if you're looking to buy one and that one kind of scared you out of it. I think it's good to have a whole picture because there's always, in the media, there's always someone's got an angle, and I think that was a little Ledger trash campaign against Trezor. This is a classic. This has been going on for years, by the way. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this update, hit like button, hit subscribe. We're putting out a video every single day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.